So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys, from wherever you are listening to us. So, we are on our today episode of trading GBP USD. Uh, I will start this video by saying if you are trading and you don't, if you are analyzing the market and you don't spot liquidity, then it means that you are the liquidity. So, on GBP USD this morning, we hit a 1 ratio 4.8 on GBP USD this morning on our London session. So let me put us through how I traded the market. So as you can remember, yesterday we traded this market up to this place. If you watch my previous videos, yesterday's videos, we traded this market up to this place. So market is currently pulling back. So that's our 15-minute cellular block that caused market shift here. As you can see, we have another block here. This other block caused the market shift here, as per our explanation yesterday. So now, this morning I woke up to this market. I woke up to this trade. So price was bullish. Yeah, price was bullish already. So price already broke through this place with if you go down to our 1 minute time frame, we already see market structure shift here and so on. So like I said, if you are not able to spot liquidity in the market, then you are the liquidity. So price was generating liquidity around here, around this place. Price was mitigating this place, mitigating this place, and also this place too. There was liquidity around here too. So price came here, took all the liquidity here out. This was the place that I woke up to the market, and I was like, oh wow, price already took out liquidity from this demand zone right here. So price was generating its own liquidity around here too. So that was what prompted me to take this market. So immediately price sweep liquidity here, boom. So when I woke up to this market, I did my analysis and I had to enter the market straight away. So we take profits 1 ratio 4.8 on this market this morning. Now let me tell you the reason why market retraced from here. As you can see, I marked out to this place. There's already liquidity here. There's a lot of sell orders right here. You can see market touch it 2-3 times. So there's a lot of sell order right there. So that is why market came to took it out. So that is the reason why I placed my take profits here. So like I said, if you are not able to spot liquidity in the market, then you are definitely the liquidity. Then your POI, your point of interest, is the liquidity. So that's it. So now my plan on after price taking out this liquidity right here, this lower high right here. Let's go to our 15-minute time frame. Let me show us. So after price have taken out this lower high, our lower high right here. So price is now retracing back. So my plan on GBP now is this. My plan on the GBP now is this. So there's another liquidity here. If you go down to our 1 minute time frame, there is another liquidity generated here. This was the last one that came to break structure here. So on our 1 minute time frame, price already make a market structure shift here. Let me mark it out for us to see. So this was the last one that came to break structure. So this was like a protected low. So on our 1 minute time frame, price already broke through market structure shift. I'm sorry guys, it's because I already know these things, so that's why I used to mark it out sometimes. So market structure shift right there. So this is our available liquidity right here. So price needs liquidity to move down here, down to this area. So this will be how I'll be trading the market. So let's see how it's going to play out. As you can see now, price mitigated this place again and it's coming down. So price is generating liquidity around here. So the reason why I decided to trade from here is this. Let me show us. So there's already liquidity here, right? This was the last low that came to sweep liquidity. That came to cause our market structure shift. So this was the liquidity zone. So if you can see here, we can see that this zone is our liquidity block. this zone right here, this place is our liquidity block. This place was the place that took liquidity before coming down. So the reason I placed my stop loss here is because this low was the low that swept, this lower high right here was the low that swept liquidity before coming down. So that's why I placed my stop loss at that high. So let's see how price is going to play out. So we already hit 1 ratio 4.8 in this market. So let's see how price is going to play out today. Thank you for listening to us.